This video explores Evoto AI versus PortraitPro, two leading portrait editors. Choosing the right tool can transform your photo editing workflow, enhancing portraits effortlessly without complicated manual adjustments. Evoto AI and PortraitPro are both designed to enhance portrait photos, but they differ in approach. Evoto AI relies on advanced artificial intelligence for automatic, realistic edits, while PortraitPro offers detailed manual controls for precise adjustments. Evoto AI is an AI-powered portrait editor that automates the retouching process using deep learning algorithms. It analyzes facial features to apply natural enhancements like skin smoothing, lighting correction, and blemish removal with minimal user input. The strength of Evoto AI lies in its speed and ability to produce realistic results without extensive manual work. It is ideal for users who want quick, high-quality edits without spending time on fine-tuning. However, its automatic nature can limit creative control, making it less suitable for photographers who prefer detailed customization. Evoto AI excels for social media influencers, content creators, and casual users looking for efficient portrait enhancement. PortraitPro is a professional portrait editing software focused on giving users precise manual control over every aspect of the image. It features tools for reshaping facial features, adjusting skin tone, enhancing eyes, and applying makeup digitally. PortraitPro works by allowing users to manipulate sliders and masks to customize edits extensively. Its strength is the level of detail and creative freedom, making it popular among professional photographers and retouchers. The main limitation is the steeper learning curve and time investment compared to automated editors. PortraitPro suits users who want full control over portrait adjustments and are comfortable with hands-on editing to achieve specific artistic results. Evoto AI and PortraitPro serve different user needs. Evoto AI offers fast, AI-driven enhancements, ideal for quick, natural-looking edits with minimal effort. In contrast, PortraitPro provides in-depth manual controls for users who want to sculpt every detail of their portraits. For example, a social media content creator might prefer Evoto AI for rapid turnaround, while a professional photographer would choose PortraitPro to fine-tune images for client work. The trade-off is between speed and automation versus precision and customization. Both deliver excellent results, but the choice depends on whether convenience or creative control is the priority. Choose Evoto AI if you want fast, realistic portrait edits with minimal effort, perfect for casual users and content creators who value efficiency. PortraitPro is best for professionals seeking detailed control over every aspect of portrait editing. Its extensive manual tools allow for creative freedom and precision, making it the ideal choice for photographers and retouchers who want to craft perfect portraits.